Since its inception, India has consistently produced some of the world's best minds, from tech geeks who have made their mark in Silicon Valley to tycoons leading successful conglomerates. Indian-born professionals have seized the most significant percentage of immigrant tech company founders across the globe. According to the former CEO of Twitter, Indians constitute 6% of Silicon Valley's workforce, despite comprising only 1% of the United States' total population. Now, the question arises, what makes them successful? Their perseverance and dedication, alongside the best technical institutes committed to providing world-class education, are what help the country produce thousands of future CEOs every year. Let's take a look at some of the most successful Indian CEOs in the tech industry. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft Corporation, one of the world's most successful IT leaders and technology company. This Indian-born CEO received his bachelor's in electrical engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology, followed by going to the United States to secure his master's and MBA subsequently. At the beginning of his career, he worked as a technology staff at an American computer and software company named Sun Microsystem. In 1992, he joined as an engineer in Microsoft, where he quickly became a key figure, leading a movement toward cloud computing, which was quite rarely understood at that time. He eventually helped develop one of the largest cloud infrastructures in the world. From being the vice president of R&D for Microsoft's online service division to leading the company's business division, he has been actively involved in various leadership positions to catapult those departments into great success. As of February 2023, he owns 4,767 units of Microsoft stock that is worth over $259 million. With a net worth of around $876 million in 2023 and a total compensation of $42.9 million, he is surely one of the richest Indian-born tech CEOs. Sundar Pichai, one of the most influential tech titans, is the CEO of the global tech giant Google and Alphabet. Currently being one of the highest-paid CEOs, he was also born and raised in India. He attended the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and obtained a bachelor's in metallurgical engineering. Later, he moved to Stanford University for a master's degree, as well as to pursue an MBA from the University of Pennsylvania. He started his career as a materials engineer at McKinsey & Company and joined Google as the head of product management and development in 2004. There, he helped in leading the development of Google Toolbar and then Google Chrome, which later became the world's most popular internet browser. He also helped launch all of Google's products and platforms, including Search, Maps, Play, Lens, Translator, Photos, Assistant, and Home. In addition, he also supervised the development of the Android operating system, which has since become the most popular mobile OS globally. In 2015, Sundar was appointed as the CEO of Google. Afterward, he joined Alphabet, Google's parent company, in 2017 and rose to CEO in 2019. At present, he is one of the richest executives in the world, with an estimated annual remuneration of $242 million and a net worth of $1.31 billion. Besides his base salary, he also receives bonuses and stock grants that make up most of his income. Arvind Krishna. The chairman and CEO of the largest international technology corporation, also known as IBM, is Arvind Krishna. This Indian-born IT veteran received his Bachelor's of Technology in Electrical Engineering from IIT Kanpur. Later, he moved to the United States to pursue his PhD in Electrical Engineering from the University of Illinois. His journey with IBM began in 1990 at IBM's Thomas J. Watson Research Center, where he worked for 18 long years. Afterward, he became the general manager of IBM Research's Information Management Software Systems and Technology Group and senior vice president of IBM Research in 2015. After leading IBM's Cloud and Cognitive Software division as senior vice president, he eventually became the chairman and CEO of IBM in 2021. Under his supervision, he led the company's success to new heights, building and expanding new markets for IBM in artificial intelligence, cloud, quantum computing, and blockchain. Even though he has made over 11 trades since 2015, the largest one was in December 2022, exercising 33,328 units of International Business Machine stock, worth over $4.9 million. As of June 2023, the estimated net worth of this Indian-American CEO is around $47 million. Along with an annual salary of $1.5 million, he received an additional $16.5 million worth of compensation in 2022. Shantanu Narayen. Shantanu Narayen, the CEO of Adobe, one of the largest and most diversified software companies in the world. Born and brought up in Hyderabad, a state of India, he holds a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from Osmania University in Hyderabad. Later on, he went to the United States to pursue a master's degree in computer science, followed by another one in business administration. Before joining Adobe, he worked as a product developer at Apple and Silicon Graphics. After that, he co-founded a photo-sharing startup called Pictra. Then, in 1998, the collaboration between Adobe and Pictra led him to join Adobe. Then, in 2007, he became the CEO of Adobe. During his time as CEO, Shantanu established the global standard for digital documents in digital art and publishing by introducing a cloud-based subscription model for the company's creative suite. As a leader, his main focus is on creating innovation for everyone, building a more productive workforce, and powering digital business. As a result of this, in recent times, he also introduced Firefly, an AI Adobe integration that works as a creative co-pilot for Photoshop. With a total earning of $31 million including salary, stock, and other forms of compensation in 2022, he is one of the highest paid CEOs in the world. As per the Haran list in the consecutive year, he had a net worth of $540 million. Yamini Rangan, one of the youngest female CEOs, leading a multi-billion-dollar technology company like HubSpot. Born in a small town in India, she completed her bachelor's in electronics engineering from Coimbator's Bharathiar University. Later, she moved to the United States for a master's in computer engineering and an MBA from Berkeley. Before joining HubSpot, she worked in some of the most prominent tech companies, including working as Vice President of Sales Strategies and Operations at Workday and Chief Customer Officer at Dropbox. Later in 2020, she joined as the CCO in HubSpot, and her competence and dedication earned her the position of CEO even before completing 2 years at the company. With a net worth of $46.3 million, she is currently one of the most influential women in the tech industry. Even after selling 3,136 units of Hub stock worth $1.6 million, she still owns at least 57,519 units of HubSpot Inc. stock. Several other Indian influencers have paved the way through the industry and become the torchbearers for the upcoming generation. The list is endless, but we have concluded some of the most prominent ones for you to look into. None of these people were born with a silver spoon in their mouth, but they were highly determined and worked their way to success.